Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix or change your TikTok privacy settings. They're very simple to change, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do is open up TikTok and go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, click on the three lines in the top right and find settings. Once you're at the settings page, click on privacy underneath account. And then on this page, the first option is for a private account. So with this account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. If you're under 16, more than likely your account has already been a private account. So you have to contact TikTok and email them and let them know that your date of birth is a little bit older than that so that your account will no longer be private. Another thing you can do is to turn on and off activity status. So when this is turned on, you and your followers can see when you are getting on TikTok, but if you have it off, they will not be able to know whether or not you're getting on TikTok or not. Another thing you can do is to sync your contacts, Facebook friends, mutual connections, anybody you can really connect with on TikTok. So if you don't want people to connect with you, go ahead and turn these off, but I'll go ahead and just leave them on for me. It's the same thing for the next one. You can also scroll down here and change some of this as well. So like with downloads, you can go ahead and change on people on whether or not they can download your videos. So if you don't want them to do that, go ahead and turn that off. So you can just go through the line and just make sure that you don't want them to do certain things on your account. Go ahead and turn it on or keep it on. It's just a bunch of different settings you can go through. But other than that, that's how you can change your privacy settings on TikTok. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. If you have any video ideas, please make sure to leave it in the comments. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.